Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Victus 16. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their HP Victus gets so hot it burns to touch. This overheating can be caused by a variety of factors, including dust accumulation in the cooling system, a failing thermal paste, or even a malfunctioning fan. If left unaddressed, this issue could lead to permanent damage to your laptop's internal components, resulting in costly repairs or complete failure. To safely complete this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and some compressed air. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. With your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the HP Victus. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once you have access to the internal components, locate the cooling fan and heat sink assembly. This is often where the problem lies. Look for any dust buildup that may be obstructing airflow. If the fan isn't spinning freely or is covered in dust, you'll need to clean it. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. If you notice the thermal paste is dry or cracked, it's time to replace it. Gently detach the heat sink by removing the screws securing it in place. Be mindful of the clips and connectors attached to it. Carefully lift the heatsink away from the CPU and GPU. Clean the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heatsink using a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU, spreading it evenly. Reattach the heatsink, ensuring it is secured tightly with the screws. Reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during the process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back panel of the laptop, pressing down gently to ensure the clips snap back into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier and power on your device to check that everything is functioning correctly. To prevent this overheating issue from recurring, regularly clean your laptop's vents and fans, ensure it is used on a hard, flat surface, and consider using a cooling pad if you often run resource-intensive applications. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.